Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. These are the Apple Smartwatches case and then iPad. I want to give it a shout out to SUPCASE, their marketing department, for sending me this to do the review for you guys to check it out. So anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this. So you can see the bag is kind of torn already from the shipping. But it is much cleaner than the UPS. This one is delivered by USPS. Wow. Look at this. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 2 of this iPad cases. Let me see what's the description like. So this one is the 44mm, and this one is 40, 44. Alright, so I got 3 of the 40mm and then 3 of the 44mm. Let's go and then unbox the 40mm first. Got a nice Unicorn Beetle Pro. This will protect your watch from getting scratched. And this is made in China. Here's the installation instruction or steps on how to do that. So you put your Apple Watch into the casing, and then after that you just snap it on there. That's it. Here's the SUPCASE barcode, and then this was the Apple Watch UB Pro, dark green color. And then you got the SUPCASE on the top of the cover. And here's another thank you card from SUPCASE. Go ahead and check this one out. Wow, pretty nice. Look at the quality on this. And then this one has a double lock on your watch band, so it doesn't slip up easy. And this one feels like it's metal. Yeah. So you pop up your watch case and then just snap it in here on the back. And be sure to press down firmly so it can sit in there tight. And then there's your crown, your button right here. And then you got the SUPCASE branding right here. Cool. Let's go and then check out the next one. So this one is the Venus. The thank you card in there again. Wow, look at that, pretty nice. So Venus almost like a rose gold color. And you got this nice carbon fiber design. Look over here on the side, left and then right hand side. Or you have the SUPCASE branding right here. Let's see if the green one's there. Oh yeah, the green one's right there as well. Somehow I missed it. So it's the same thing. Got the metal double locking system for the watch band. Okay, so let's go and then move on to this one. So this one's the violet color. Got the same nice design on the side with the carbon fiber looks. Yeah, you know the Apple Watch is pretty pricey nowadays, so you want to make sure you have a good protection. Oh, I've missed this. Well, here's a carbon fiber looks as well. Yep, on both. All right, so let's go ahead and check out this 44mm. So this one's the green color. So basically it's the same thing, so I'm not gonna take it out. And this one's the violet color. There's the same carbon fiber design on the sides. And then this one's the Venus again, or rose gold. All right, so let's go ahead and move on to the iPads. So you got the SUPCASE branding on the top, Unicorn Beetle Pro. So when you get the Pro Edition, it is a military standard with a drop protection test on it. So it is pretty strong and then sturdy case. So it is shock resistant, has a built-in screen protector, 360 degree protection, shock resistant, and multi-layer design. And it is also a dust proof. This one's the 10.2 inch, and this one's the UP Pro SP metallic red color. It is made in China. Wow, look at that. So it is factory sealed. I'm going to then cut the top portion open. So here's the installation guide or instruction. Another thank you card again. Thank you SUPCASE for sending me this. And here you go. There's a screen protector on the top. Your selfie camera right there on the top. There's your home button. And you got the nice cutout opening right here for your microphone, your lightning charging port, your speaker grill, and here's your volume up and down rocker right here, and then your power button switch right here, and additional microphone on the top. It's a 3.5mm jack. And on the back it says unicorn beetle. This is a kickstand. Let's go and pop this open. Wow. This is pretty sturdy. It's like aluminum. Let's go ahead and check it out. So you can put a landscape mode. You cannot put the portrait mode, so. Or you can put it opposite. See if I could try to take it out real quick and show you guys. And also teach you guys how to remove it. Yeah, make sure you remove this silicone lip out of that plastic edge. And make sure you go all the way on top and all around it. And try to press down while you try to do that as well. See, the lid is locking on the side right there. Yeah, there you go. Now that I just need to lift it up all the way. And then there you go. Opens it up. Wow, got this nice honeycomb design. Oh, I forgot. There's a cutoff opening for your camera. And it says SUPCASE right here. Yeah, this one's a pretty nice case. You know, you want to protect your investment. If you have kids, I know you're gonna break your screen on the top or drop it and dent it. This will protect your investment. Let's go ahead and check it out, the other case. So this one's the violet color for the 10.2. Wow, nice. So it's same as the watch color. Got to tell you guys there's a color opening for your Touch ID or fingerprint scanner right there. Okay. And this is a screen protector as well. Give you extra protection, or you don't need to spend another additional $10 or something to buy the LCD protector. Oh, there's a honeycomb right there as well. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop me in the comments on below. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace.